super short video. Wasn't expecting to do this video. It's a little bit like the Optimistic Adventurers version of Hot UK Deals. If you visit Aldi, which I do, love Aldi, and Aldi must be watching me. I am half joking there. I bought a Vitesse Force. They started selling the Vitesse Force e-bike. 3 videos so far on the Vitesse Force e-bike, but today I was in there getting a few little bits, and if you saw on my videos I did one on the Swedish torch. Now I got mine from lectowoods.co.uk. I'll put it on the screen, and lo and behold, Aldi tonight are selling Swedish torches. They're £5.99, so that's around half the price I paid. The one I bought was amazing, it lasted for hours. Is it worth buying a Swedish torch from Aldi? I'm going to fire it up, see how it lasts. I'm not going to cook on it, but I'll easily be able to tell if it's suitable for cooking. But I'm really interested. £5.99 from Aldi. If you're watching this video in a couple of weeks' time, I think you missed it. These won't last. Smells beautiful. I've got no information on it. There's no tag or anything. There's one rope for carrying in, nicely stapled in. If I was using it out in the wild, I would collect those staples up at the end so they don't go in animals' feet. But this is looking good. It looks like silver birch to me, but I'm not a tree expert. Let's get it fired up. I'll stop talking. Let's get it lit. So it is 10:08. Give a little bit of help. I want to get the bottom of the firelighter. It is a different design to the one I used. The one I used had 2 cuts all the way across the diameter of the log surface, the circle. This one's got more of a star-shaped, 3 cuts into a star. They do go all the way through, so it should breathe nicely. Let's see, 10:08. It's 11:17, so it's lasted just over an hour where it's cookable. You could have still cooked on it at 11:10. Then it started to collapse. So it lasts about half the time as the one I got from Lectowoods, Lecto Fuels, whatever it was. But if you fancy a Swedish torch, Aldi, £5.99, well worth it. Cheers.